Hello everyone, I'm Christian Chandar from English Department of Vidya Mandala Catholic University. Now I'm going to read my prose poetry assignment for you. There are limericks and haiku. The first one, let me read my limericks for you. Here is my limericks entitled Big Red Bull. One morning, Jackie went to school. He made himself look very cool. Everyone laughed at him because he was too slim to sit gently on the big red bull. And for second one, I want to read my haiku for you. Here is my haiku entitled One Morning. Dewy morning came up. Out of the blue, it changed cause the sun shone brightly. That's all for me. Thank you. Goodbye.